In the fast-paced world of consumer tech, very few brands know how to keep enthusiasts on their toes like DJI. Known primarily for their drones and increasingly for their compact cameras, DJI has built a reputation for innovation and disruption. This week, the company once again stirred up the industry not with a carefully orchestrated press release, but with an accidental reveal that has the internet buzzing. The device in question, the DJI Osmo Nano, a tiny, wearable, and ultra-portable action camera that could completely reshape the way creators capture their world. What makes this story even juicier is how the world discovered the product not through DJI's official marketing machine, but through a series of leaks, slip-ups, and teasers that have kept fans and insiders speculating non-stop. This article unpacks everything we currently know about the Osmo Nano, the excitement surrounding its launch, its direct rivalry with Insta360, and how this little camera might connect to DJI's broader action camera roadmap, including the highly anticipated Osmo Action 6, the leak that sparked the frenzy. The whole saga started with an unexpected twist. DJI themselves accidentally leaked the Osmo Nano. During a promotional video for their Own the Moment campaign, eagle-eyed viewers spotted the Nano sitting in full view. This wasn't a blurry shadow or some ambiguous silhouette, it was the device in all its detail, leaving very little to the imagination. Tech insider Jasper Ellens quickly picked up on this and shared the discovery on X, formerly Twitter, adding fuel to the fire by suggesting that the official release date might already be upon us. The timing was chaotic enough that even some content creators believed the launch had arrived, preparing videos and shorts in advance. As if that weren't enough, DJI made another slip shortly after, leaking a second image of the Nano online. Suddenly, the community wasn't asking if the Osmo Nano was real but rather when it would officially hit store shelves. Rumors swirled about whether this was an intentional controlled leak designed to generate buzz, or just a case of marketing mismanagement. Either way, it worked. The Osmo Nano became the center of conversation across creator forums, tech channels, and social platforms. Confirmed launch date and global availability. After a whirlwind of speculation, the launch date is now all but confirmed, September 10, 2025. For now, the product appears poised for release across multiple regions, though uncertainty remains about whether it will make its way to the United States. DJI has faced regulatory and political challenges in the US market, and that complicates distribution. Outside the US, however, the Osmo Nano looks ready to compete head-to-head with industry rivals. Pricing strategy. A direct challenge to Insta360. DJI seems to be playing its cards strategically when it comes to pricing. The Osmo Nano will launch into versions: 64GB model at €369, 128GB model at €399. These they mirror the pricing structure of the Insta360 Go 3S, DJI's closest competitor in the wearable action camera space. By aligning the Nano directly with Insta360's offering, DJI is signaling its intent to reclaim dominance in the pocket-sized camera game. Given DJI's reputation for solid build quality and strong ecosystem integration, many creators may find the Nano's combination of features and price to be an irresistible alternative. Design: minimalism meets magnetism. So, what exactly sets the Osmo Nano apart? At first glance, the design looks deceptively simple, even stylish, more like a fashion accessory than a piece of high-tech gear. Think of it as a magnetized lapel pin that doubles as a full-fledged action camera. But beneath its minimalist exterior lies some clever engineering. Magnetic versatility. The Osmo Nano's magnetic main camera module is the star of the show. Unlike traditional mounts, this module features magnetic surfaces on nearly every side and can even switch polarity. This gives creators the flexibility to attach the device to metal surfaces, clip-on accessories, or DJI's brand new magnetic wearable lanyard system. This isn't just about convenience, it's about enabling new creative angles and perspectives. Whether you're clipping it to a backpack, mounting it under a skateboard, or snapping it onto a helmet, the Nano adapts seamlessly. Compact yet functional despite its size, the Osmo Nano includes built-in storage options of 64GB or 128GB, and old HD touchscreen for direct control. Fast charging that powers the device up to 80% in just 20 minutes. An asterisk SD card slot for expandable storage. This combination makes it more than a wearable, it's a legitimate production tool for vloggers, athletes, travelers, and everyday creators. Accessories. The ecosystem advantage. DJI understands better than most that a modular system lives or dies by its accessories. Early leaks confirm a range of add-ons for the Osmo Nano, including clip mounts, suction mounts, universal GoPro-compatible mounts, the innovative magnetic lanyard for wearable hands-free POV shooting. This approach echoes DJI's strategy with its drones and gimbals. Create a flexible ecosystem that locks users in while expanding their creative possibilities. The AI factor and rumored feature ushers where things get even more exciting. Beyond its physical features, rumors suggest the Osmo Nano will leverage AI-powered stabilization. If true, this could be a game-changer for creators who want smooth, professional-looking footage without lugging around bulky stabilizers. Other whispers include a detachable magnetic screen module for remote monitoring, support for wireless microphones, possible integration with DJI drones for synchronized aerial and ground-level POV shots. The idea of linking the Osmo Nano with DJI's drones is particularly intriguing. Imagine jogging through a forest while a drone tracks you from above, while the Nano captures your expression from the ground. That kind of multi-angle storytelling could redefine personal filmmaking. Rivalry in the action camera space. The Osmo Nano doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's part of a heated battle for dominance in the action camera market, a space long dominated by GoPro, but increasingly contested by DJI and Insta360. GoPro still holds the legacy position with widespread recognition and a loyal base of extreme sports users. Insta360 has disrupted the market with modular and 360 cameras that emphasize creativity and versatility. DJI, meanwhile, has leaned on its reputation for innovative hardware design and integration with drones and gimbals. The Nano appears to be DJI's attempt to carve out a unique identity in the wearable space, positioning itself as the camera for creators who value ease of use and discreet design over sheer specs. A nod to DJI's action camera legacy, the Osmo Nano also marks a return to form for DJI. The company has experimented with compact cameras before, most notably with the DJI Action 2, which, despite its innovative modular design, was discontinued earlier than expected. Fans have been waiting for a true successor, and many believe the Nano could be the answer. At the same time, DJI isn't slowing down in its mainline action camera series. Industry leaks suggest that the DJI Osmo Action 6 is on the horizon, possibly arriving in late summer or early fall 2025. The DJI Osmo Action 6, what's next in the pipeline? While the Osmo Nano dominates current headlines, insiders are equally hyped about the Osmo Action 6. Leaks point to a dual-screen setup, front and back support for Wi-Fi 800 to 0.11 ABG and VC-VAX, and Bluetooth 5.1, a temperature operating range from -20 to 45 Celsius. Compatibility with DJI's 300 USB-C charger, but the real mystery is a pill-shaped component located beneath the front screen. It's not a button, not a speaker, nobody quite knows what it is. Speculation ranges from a new type of sensor to gesture controls or some entirely novel feature. To add even more intrigue, FCC filings confirmed to different battery sizes, 1770 mAh and 1500 mAh. This strongly suggests DJI will launch both a standard model and a Pro model, echoing their strategy with the Action 5 lineup. If pricing follows past trends, we can expect something like $329, $399 for the standard version, $449, $499 for the Pro model. All signs point to a launch window between August and October 2025. Continuing DJI's pattern of late summer camera announcements. The bigger picture, DJI's strategy. What does all of this mean for DJI as a brand? A few themes are becoming clear. 1. Diversification of the action camera lineup, with the Osmo Nano aimed at wearable convenience and the Action 6 targeting enthusiasts and pros. DJI is covering multiple segments of the market. 2. Ecosystem synergy, by designing cameras that potentially sync with drones, microphones, and accessories. DJI is building a cohesive ecosystem that encourages brand loyalty. 3. Style meets functionality, devices like the Nano blur the line between gear and lifestyle accessory, appealing not just to hardcore videographers but to everyday users who want to document life effortlessly. 4. Direct competition with rivals. DJI isn't just participating in the market, it's challenging rivals head-on. With pricing aligned to Insta360 and features that could rival GoPro, the company is signaling it wants to lead, not follow. Final thoughts. DJI Osmo Nano is shaping up to be one of the most exciting tech launches of 2025. Whether you're a casual creator who wants a discreet, wearable camera or a professional looking for new creative tools, the Nano offers a tantalizing mix of portability, flexibility, and innovation. Meanwhile, the looming arrival of the Osmo Action 6 adds another layer of anticipation. Between these two products, DJI is making a clear statement. The action camera game is evolving, and they intend to be at the forefront. As we wait for September 10th to roll around, one thing is certain: the action camera market has never been more competitive, and consumers stand to benefit the most. For now, mark your calendars, keep an eye out for more leaks, and get ready. DJI's next wave of cameras is almost here.